Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year, happy 2024. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead for yourself, your family, your friends, for all of you, for all my subscribers that they are so loyal. Although in the past few weeks I was so busy and I couldn't make any videos and talk about any platforms, but still they are subscribing to my channel and basically waiting for my updates and my videos to be uploaded and talk about some opportunities. Today is January 11th, 2020, and I'm planning to talk about a new series and episodes about the platforms that I really like, especially the ones that I'm already involved with, and I put my hard-earned money into these platforms like SHAO Bank and many other ones that slowly I'm gonna talk about. Some other ones in my upcoming episodes. So we are not gonna talk just about certain platforms. I'm gonna bring you the variety of different ones that I really like, and personally, I did some due diligence on those platforms. Before we get started, I just want to remind all of you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not the financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I am cranking out that crypto in many different platforms. Nothing more and nothing less. Now, if you like this content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here on my channel called Passive Income Platforms, please make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. Always remember to invest as much as you can afford to lose. And as a final disclaimer, nothing on my channel is a financial advice nor the legal advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. You know, the crypto space is like casino. It's like gambling. I am willing to participate in casino and put my hard-earned money over here in different platforms. I may win, I may lose, right? So you got to be prepared yourselves. So it's not like, whatever platform that you put your money in, you're gonna win. Absolutely, it's not. If someone promised you that, so that's a lie, right? But what we try to do is uh, do some due diligence based on what information that we are able to gather from different resources, from different social medias channels, and try to see if they are delivering what they promise. So far, SHAO Bank, we're going to talk about SHAO Bank today. So far, SHAO Bank is they deliver what they promise. Unfortunately, when they quite a few months ago, I guess even it was less than a year ago, someone referred this SHAO Bank to me, and I don't know who that person was, but he was asking me to promote SHAO Bank on my YouTube channel. I said, you know what? I'm not promoting any platforms. Please stop sending me messages to me, because I'm not promoting any platforms. I'm just promoting my journey, and I'm showing my journey in different platforms on my YouTube channel, right? I'm an investor like you guys. So he was like, no, we're gonna give you some funds in your account, and you talk about our platform. I said, no, I'm not gonna do that. But after a while, I see now they're still in business after almost a year. I guess less than a year, and I wish I got involved long time ago. Although I was not doing, still I'm not promoting any platforms, even this SHAO Bank, but I really like this platform. So there are they look like they are bank. They think this is the digital banking. They're in banking, the deposits, savings, lending, bonds, so on and so forth, right? So if you go over here, it says save and grow with SHAO Bank. We offer this assurance that the assets and funds in your accounts are safe and secure, right? So they offer you some digital banking, cards, loans, and stuff like this. So if we go to, let me just go to the banking, all banking online. So it's a very sophisticated platform. I really like the design and the platform and how they work. Handle your finances the way you're used to, make deposits, invest in bonds, and take out insurance policies with SHAO banks. So this is amazing. So to be honest with you, I don't know how legit they are. If they are registered as a financial institution with any, regulatory bodies. I couldn't find that, but what I see, I really like, right? So they offer some bonds and some saving accounts. So in this section, if you go to deposit, it's like saving account. Save and grow with SHAO Bank deposit. Deposit your money for a period of for 12 months at 11.5% annually, right? So it's 11.5%, almost 1%, less than 1% a month, right? So this is much greater than the saving accounts in North America. In North America, if you put your funds into your saving accounts, you are able to make money, I guess, 1%, 2% a year, 1 or 2% annually. But this one, at least, this one says with the same, almost the same concept, saving account, you are able to make almost 1% a month, 11.5% annually, right? So it's a lot greater than the banks, right? But this is not the subject of my video, because in crypto, first of all, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. Platforms like this SHAO Bank, they may work perfectly fine today, but they can shut down tomorrow. This is just a gambling. I'm emphasizing these are like gambling platforms, but I'm willing to put my funds into these casino gambling platforms. So the subject of my video is these bonds. So we could make money. So with this deposit, you're still making, you can make money at 11.5% annually, right? But with bonds, you're able to make money a lot more than the deposits, the saving accounts. So with the bonds, it says save and earn with SHAO Bank bonds. Buy bonds and receive guaranteed dividends. So it's not, it says guaranteed, but to me, it's nothing is guaranteed, right? Buy bonds and receive guaranteed dividends for 10 years. Payments are made on a weekly basis. Keep an eye out for new series of securities, right? So they offer different bonds. They have too many different bonds. Here, the list of the bonds. They have it's called AA1 bonds, AA2, AA3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So the maturity is 10 years. And the point is, each bond that you are willing to, if you are willing to purchase, you need to purchase minimum of 10. You need to buy 10 bonds, right? So if you buy AA1, this bond, you need, the number of bonds is 10, right? So the price is 400 HKD, Hong Kong dollar, right? If you're buying AA2, you need to pay 2000 HKD, Hong Kong dollar, right? And if you buy AA6, you need to pay 40,000 HKD, which is almost, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, it's about $5,000 US dollars, right? So this is Hong Kong dollar. So if you buy let's say AA3, you're gonna pay 8,000 HKD, right? And how much you are earning on a daily basis, yield each day is 0.65%. So in the deposit section, it was like a saving account. It was 11.5% annually, but over here it's like 0.65% daily, right? So meaning if you multiply 0.65 by 365 days, it's 234% every year, right? Every year. So basically this is a calculator. If you go, let's say AA6, they're updating this series of bonds every so often. So when I got involved in this SHAO Bank platform, I purchased this, and back then it was the highest one. So, but now they added this series of bonds. So I wish I knew this before, because it is almost 1% a day. 1% a day. Please don't be naive and think about, oh my god, 0.45% or a 0.55% is too low. uh, don't fall into trap of those platforms that they offering 2%, 5%, 8%, 10% daily. So there's no utility behind those platforms. There's no use case of those platforms. So they offer, so much of a interest, so much of a yield per day, and earnings to attract people into those platforms. So that's why personally myself, even I'm a seasoned investor. So I fall into the trap of those kind of platforms because of the simple greed. But these platforms that they offer 0.55% a day, or 0.45, or the highest 0.95% a day. So it seems like these are a little bit more sustainable compared to those ones. So this doesn't mean that this is gonna last forever. By all means, I don't mean that. But what I mean is, at least it seems like uh, there's a plan for the sustainability of the platform for a longer term. Okay, I hope you understand this, right? So but of course, as you go higher, it's more expensive, right? And the lower series, right? So if you want to get involved with AA1, you need to pay just 400 HKD, Hong Kong dollar. But if you want to go to AA6, you need to pay $40,000, 400,000 Hong Kong dollars, right? So the minimum number of bonds is 10. So if you go another batch, if you get another batch, so it's 20. So basically you need to pay 800,000 HKD. So I purchased just 10 bonds as a minimum, right? So you could do the same thing if you wish, right? So they're talking about guaranteed profits, but to me, I'm just doing my due diligence. I see every platform as a casino. Again, I repeat myself, almost 10 times so far. Nothing is guaranteed to me. Nothing is guaranteed to me. But compared to some other platforms, and especially I see, they're almost performing almost close to a year, based on my knowledge. So it seems like, hopefully they're gonna continue performing, these great income generation platform. So they have different social media channels. If you wanna do, they do lending as well, but we're not gonna get into this lending. But if you wish, you could go and read about this lending part and see what they offer, how you are able to get mortgage, they get loan or business loan, so on and so forth. Okay, so let me dive into my back office now. Log in, username, password. Okay, this is my back office. So let me see how much I have in my account now. So the current balance is 10,921 HKD, Hong Kong dollars, which is equivalent to 1 HKD is 13 cents, right? 1 HKD is 13 cents at this point. So basically 10,921 HKT is almost $1,400 USD, right? So over here it says the same thing. It's equivalent to $1,400 USD or 1,275 euro that I have in my back office now as my earning. I haven't withdrawn any funds yet. This is going to be a live withdrawal at this point for the first time ever, right? So they're offering you the digital card. This is my card. It's like your bank card when you have your bank card. So if I click on this CVC, it's gonna show me the 3-digit at the back of the card. I'm sure you're familiar with the 3 digits at the back. So I'm not gonna click on this because that's the kind of a security of my card. So even if you have these numbers, you cannot do any transactions unless you have that CVC code, right? So if we go to the transactions, how much I earned so far, history of transactions, if I click on it, I just want to show you I registered with this platform as of November 23rd last year. So it's been about 2 months, less than 2 months. So my first earning was December 1st, 1800 HKD. Because I was getting, at that point, this bond was offered, so they don't offer this anymore. So they changed the name from DD3267 to AA1, AA2 to AA6, as I showed you earlier in this video. But anyhow, this was the bond that I purchased at that point. So every week, I'm receiving, my funds smoothly, and so far up to January 5th. So today is January 11th. It's not updated yet. It's not. It hasn't hit my account yet. I guess in about 2 hours, because right now it's 7 p.m. in my time. So about 2 hours, the new earnings would be added into this, right? So in order to withdraw, I can go to my account, go to withdraw. So how much you wanna withdraw? So I have 10,871. I'm gonna do copy paste here, right? So withdrawal of funds, minimum 50. So let me just type 10,871. Okay, 10,871, right? So you are able to withdraw in different methods. USDT, look at this beautiful different cryptos. By the way, today was the history made today. So the Bitcoin ETF approved after 10-11 years. We were waiting for this moment. Last night, it's about less than 24 hours that the Bitcoin ETF is approved. So you could find the different tickers on TradingView, on live ETF. You can find the ETF tickers in different platforms and on TradingView and do the trading, right? So you could withdraw your funds in different stable coins like Tether ERC, Tether TRC, or Ethereum, or even Bitcoin, right? So Litecoin, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, right? So you could choose that and put your address. And let me just put my address and click on the next step and come back. Before I put my address in USDT TRC20, which I prefer to withdraw my funds in TRC20 stablecoin. Especially today, there's a lot of volatility because of the Bitcoin ETF approval. I rather to receive my funds in Tether TRC stablecoin. But before I put my address and click the next, I rather to wait a little bit, probably about an hour, to receive my funds, my earnings for this week, and basically withdraw all my earnings, which is going to be higher than 10,800 HKD. So I stop the video and come back when I receive that funds, and move forward with the putting the address and showing you the next step. Okay, I'm back. So let me just refresh my page to see if I have received the payments for this week. Here we go. $12,742.24 Hong Kong dollar, which is equivalent to $1,600 US and 1,488 euros. Okay, so let me just go to the withdrawal, and let me just go to the history of transactions. So as you may see, November 23rd, I registered and I deposited and I ordered the DD 3267 bonds. Back then when they were offering this bond, so it's discontinued and they're offering so many other ones. So on a weekly basis, I'm receiving 1,820 Hong Kong dollars, and the last one is been received just now, a few minutes ago. So let me do I haven't done any withdrawal, so I'm gonna do my first withdrawal right now. I'm going to withdraw section, $12,692 Hong Kong dollars, I mean, and I'll do USDT TRC20. Okay, so let me just do my put my address and come back. So when you put your address here, when you go to the next step, it's gonna ask you the payment CVC code. So this is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. So I'm gonna go back to the account. So I have to click on this CVC code to give me the code. So I'm gonna pause the video and put that CVC code and go to the next step and put the CVC code here and click on withdraw. So as soon as I click on the withdraw, it says the withdrawal is successful. And over here on the transaction history of transactions, it's showing the withdrawals 12,692 Hong Kong dollars is being requested, right? So I don't know how long would it take, because this is my first ever withdrawal from this SHAO Bank website. So, but I guess this platform, SHAO Bank, is going to be one of the legacy platforms. So I really like the way they operating. By the way, let me just show you one interesting thing before I finish my video. Let me just bring my Telegram. So they have different channels on social medias, on Telegram, Discord, YouTube, so on and so forth. So this is their Telegram channel, right? So I guess almost every day they have some sort of a presentation on Zoom. They just released the financial report for 2023. So this is very interesting if someone wants to dig in and get closer look to the report. So let me just open this report, and you see how beautifully the report is being prepared. Excuse me. Financial report 2023 for SHAO Global Future Limited. So they're showing all the how much money has been deposited, the revenues, the active accounts, the entire performance. They're showing the net income paid by Global Future Technology Enterprise Group. So it seems like they're really decent platform. They're going, paying attention to all the details, and a professional accounting department is taking care of this report. To me, it looks like, although I cannot verify, I'm not part of the support team, I'm not employed by the company, and my account is funded by myself. It's not a promotion account or something. So I cannot verify all these information, but it seems like it's been a professional accounting department is taking care of all these reports. It's like the banking industry. If you I don't know if you have seen any financial institution reports on a yearly basis, the annual report. So it looks like it's been done by a very professional accounting department anyway. So Yang SHAO, the CEO of this beautiful platform, you could go through all this information if you want to dig more into this beautiful platform, so-called bank, right? Anyhow, this is I believe this is one of the best platform that is going to be like a legacy platform, one of my flagships in 2024, and I hope in 2024 we could get involved with many of these beautiful platforms, and hopefully these kind of platforms last long. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. If you like this sort of a content, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and support my channel by clicking on the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to those people that they really need to get involved with the platforms that we think is legit, and they're working perfectly fine, at least up to this point. Nobody can guarantee the future, what's going to happen tomorrow, but so far so good. I'm happy with SHAO Bank. If you like this sort of content, please again make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you hit the like button as well, to outreach those people that they need to receive this sort of information. Also, if you would like to be part of my team, I'm gonna put my affiliate link down in the comment section below. You could click on the link and register with SHAO Bank and start benefiting from this beautiful SHAO Bank platform. if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. By the way, I'm gonna put my Telegram channel link in the comment section as well. If you have any questions, you could put it over there, and I'm covering some other platforms on my Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you at the top.